In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide rows and columns in Google Sheets. Let's say you want to compare some of your data. Let's say you want to compare this column to this column, but you don't want to delete or move anything. What you can do is to hide your columns. So to hide one column, all you have to do is to click on this arrow down right here and select Hide Column. When you click on that, you've hidden column B from your spreadsheet. Let's try that again. Select your column. You can right-click on it as well and click on Hide Column. And you've successfully hidden column B and C. So we have one more column to hide. Let's do that by just clicking on the arrow down and selecting Hide Column. And there you have it. Now we can compare these two columns side by side without deleting or moving anything from our spreadsheet. We can also do that with our rows. Let's say we want to hide our header right here. Just select your row, right-click on it, and select Hide Row. And you've successfully hidden the first row on your spreadsheet. Now, if you want to put everything back to where it was, you can just click on this icon right here, and everything will be unhidden. And that's how to hide rows and columns in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.